Best Side Hustles 2021. Top 10 Best Side Hustles in 2021. Money. Who wouldn't benefit from a little more of it? A little extra money may go a long way, whether you're saving for a down payment, planning a wedding, attempting to pay off debt. Will those student loans ever go away? Or putting money aside for a rainy day? Your day work may be able to assist you in meeting your financial obligations. A side hustle from home, on the other hand, is the game changer that will put money into your pocket while providing you with the independence you've always desired. Today, we will tell you about the top 10 best side hustles in 2021. Before we start, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell button to get the latest updates. Without any further delay, let us start. In the list of the top 10 best side hustles in 2021, at number 10, we have Start a Dropshipping Business. One of the best side hustles for ideas is dropshipping. It lets you to sell a product to a consumer directly without having to purchase inventory. What makes that so special? You don't need a large initial expenditure to limit your risk to a minimum. The manufacturer not only keeps the inventory on hand, but also ships it directly to the consumer on your behalf. Your primary focus should be on marketing and customer service, as they are the lifeblood of any company. This is the side hustle for you if you have a solid marketing background and want to play to your strengths. It's one of the few side occupations that lets you satisfy your actual entrepreneurial urges. You will have the opportunity to run your own company. Next on the list at number 9, we have Begin Freelancing. Does the income at your 9-to-5 work fly? If you don't have a steady income, you may require more money in certain months and less in others. If this describes you, you might want to consider working as a freelancer. These might be gigs you make on Fiverr or the occasional Upwork freelance project. One week you might be creating t-shirt mockups for a customer, and the next you might be assisting someone in growing their social media following. The projects you work on could be very different. However, if you enjoy variety and changing things up, this side business can be ideal for you. Number 8, we have Affiliate Marketer. Affiliate marketing is one of those long-term side jobs that pays nicely. However, before you can start generating money with affiliate marketing, you'll need to go through a learning curve. It's not just about finding the appropriate goods to sell, it's also about partnering with the right brand. Your commission will almost certainly be reduced if you choose to be an affiliate marketer for e-commerce companies rather than dropshipping them yourself. Some computer companies, on the other hand, are willing to offer a high commission to affiliates who bring them new consumers. Next on the list at number 7, we have Launch a Print-on-Demand Store. Running a print-on-demand store could be a terrific side hustle for you if you enjoy creating custom graphics and artwork in your spare time. You may sell your custom artwork on t-shirts, bags, phone covers, mugs, and other items using print-on-demand or POD. The nicest aspect of this is that you may build and sell your own brand of products. You can even entirely automate your business's logistics by deciding to dropship your print-on-demand products. This is where you create products, add them to your store, market them, and receive customers' orders. The print-on-demand company fills the orders by printing your graphics on the products and then shipping them directly to the buyer. Next on the list at number 6, we have Start Blogging. Blogging is a great side hustle business that you can do from your home or any place else in the world. It allows you to create your own personal brand while still owning an asset. You can even write about your hobbies and interests. Starting a blog in a niche that you understand allows you to connect with similar interests to you. Some common niches for establishing a part-time blog include yoga, businesses, beauty, and automobiles. Adding affiliate links to your blogs or linking your online store where you sell dropshipping products are two methods to make money blogging. Next on the list at number 5, we have Sell Information Products. Selling information items could be the ideal side job for you if you're seeking for a way to supplement your income. To succeed at this side hustle, you'll need to do some research, put in some effort, and have some marketing abilities. Are there any current hot issues about which you have a lot of knowledge? Have you discovered a popular topic about which there isn't enough information? Create content around these chances to monetize them. To begin generating money, you can publish books on Amazon or sell courses. What kind of profit margins can you expect from selling information products? It depends on the niche, how well you advertise yourself, and a number of other aspects. A side hustle like this, on the other hand, can bring in a few $1,000 every month. The idea is to build a variety of material, ebooks and courses, etc. that will continue to generate recurring revenue for you. Next on the list at number 4, we have Become an Instagram Influencer. Most people dream of becoming famous when they are young, but the truth is that not everyone has the ability to sing or act. You may still establish a personal brand based on your abilities. Perhaps you have a great sense of style or can bake a fantastic dessert. Anyone may start a side hustle as an influencer on Instagram. It's fine if you don't like being in the spotlight. You can use Instagram to establish a following for your dog or your photos. Sponsored posts, Instagram takeovers, and selling a product on your website are all ways to monetize your Instagram account. Next on the list at number 3, we have Become a Virtual Assistant. The best side hustles all have one thing in common: they're in high demand. A virtual assistant is a person who works from home rather than at a company's office. They can assist with administrative, social media, bookkeeping, and other chores. Virtual assistants are in high demand among business owners who require assistance with a variety of jobs. You can specialize in a variety of topics as a virtual assistant. I've used virtual assistants for social media and customer support in the past. Virtual assistants are also used by a slew of different companies throughout the world to help them expand and manage their brands. Next on the list at number 2, we have Sell Your Photography. Photography can be a side income if you have a camera and some basic Photoshop skills. If you enjoy photographing your city, you can sell your work to local publications like a city newspaper or a blog. Sites like Fope allow you to sell your photos on this site and earn money for each one sold. If you don't want to sell your photos, you may add them to things such as canvases, t-shirts, and phone cases to make even more money. If that isn't enough, you can also look for clients to work on weddings, pet portraits, or project photography. Finally, on the list at number 1, we have Get a Part-Time Job. You could obtain a part-time work if you'd rather work trade time for money. Dog walking, babysitting, restaurant server, receptionist, administrative assistant, or barista are all examples of money-making side jobs. You can also look for part-time work in your field on the internet. Perhaps you're a full-time marketer who works part-time in social media. The only disadvantage of working part-time is that you must exchange your time for money. That's all for today, folks. Tell us in the comment section what is your point of view. See you soon with another amazing video.